General dictation 60 words per minute. Get ready. Start. Public speaking is an art. Full stop. It is not given to all to be good speakers. Full stop. But with reasonable preparation of all can express our ideas clearly and convincingly. Full stop. For delivering a speech on any subject, adequate preparation is essential. Full stop. The quiet and conversational tone has its advantages. Full stop. In social life, there are many occasions when we are called upon to speak. Full stop. There are some people who are quite witty, and always can talk across the table fluently. But the moment they are up on their feet, they are tongue tied. Full stop. They have a fear of talking down to the audience. This fear is baseless. Full stop. It requires a certain amount of courage on your part, confidence is half the battle. Full stop. If you are confident about what you have to say and not confused in your mind, you can straight away begin and the ideas will flow easily from your brain. Full stop. It is the sincerity that matters. Full stop. If you have something to say, rest assured you will be heard. Full stop. Another point which a budding speaker should remember is that he should never underrate the intelligence of the audience. Full stop. They will respond to you as you want, provided you make the right appeal to them. A good speaker takes the audience into confidence and then slowly unburdens his thoughts. Full stop. He thinks well. Full stop. The audience takes delight in his speech. Full stop. The opening of your speech should be striking. Full stop. It should attract attention properly. Stop.